I have here Wolfnotch the Suga Pro. The Suga Pro is this beautiful watch here that I'm wearing right now. The box contains the watch itself with the wristband, the charger, which is magnetic. If you look on the back of the watch, right here, you'll find the charging contacts. Like that. Super cool. And you also find the manual. And this smartwatch has so many functions. The manual is super important. This watch, it actually does way more than just monitor your vitals, but it actually has a treatment that can help reduce blood sugar naturally. You start the treatment here and it will use the laser, release it from the laser inducers. I highly recommend this product to anyone who is looking for a convenient and effective way to monitor their blood sugar levels.